DexCom is a global company headquartered in San Diego, California, with a focus on the development, manufacture, and distribution of continuous glucose monitoring systems for managing diabetes. Now, these systems enable individuals with diabetes to monitor their blood glucose levels consistently throughout the day, aiding in effective diabetes management and treatment decision making. Now, it also has a very strong international presence, serving customers worldwide, and it does significantly contribute to advancements in diabetes care through their innovative continuous glucose monitoring system. Now, when there are recessionary risks, as is being mooted by many analysts for the US, healthcare companies can still remain profitable because consumers understandably prioritise healthcare. Now, if you use the seasonality screener here,
And
you
just
can see
updating on us.
by looking at the S&P 500, you can look at the healthcare sector and you can filter using the drop down menu here 5, 10, 15, 20 years when you want to start the filtering date from and what time period you're looking for. And you can see here that DexCom has some very strong seasonals. Look, over the last 15 years, from the 23rd of May to 21st of July, DexCom has gained over 90% of the time, only lost value once, and had an average return of a really strong 13%. So is this one stock to look at very carefully over the summer, particularly as a healthcare stock that can weather recessions? Major trade risks. The major trade risk here, of course, is from stock-specific news to DexCom, or if the seasonal pattern fails to hold up this year. Remember, don't just trade it, but Seasonax it.